Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. Summer of 2019, I grew 7 varieties of potatoes: Red Pontiac, Red Norland, Carob, Russian Blue, Vinci, German Butterball, and Lintzer Delikatess. 4 of these varieties were new to me, and I thought I'd take a look at them in this video. I'll also tell you what my all-time favorite potato to grow is. I'll start with Russian Blue. This is a late maturing potato. Deep purple skin, almost black, with a purple flesh. It is a heavy producer of round oblong potatoes, and the flesh maintains its color when cooked. I found this potato to be a very average in every way but color. It is a bit dry with nice texture and worked well cooked in a variety of ways. A purple potato has been a hard sell for my family to want to eat, but I will grow it again because I like the color it can add to dishes when combined with other varieties of potato. Next is the Bintje, another late maturing potato. These potatoes are oval in shape with yellow skin and flesh. They were advertised as dry in texture, but I did not find that to be true. They have a good, almost buttery flavor, and I especially enjoyed these baked and roasted, though they work well boiled too. I am noticing some early sprouting, and I'm interested to see how well they are going to store for me over the winter. I plan to grow these again. Then we have the German Butterball. I had great hopes for these potatoes. They are late season oval potatoes. They have a netted appearance on their yellow skin and a buttery yellow flesh. I do not feel that these potatoes lived up to their name. I found these potatoes very dry and almost floury in texture. The flavor is all right, but nothing spectacular. I don't plan to grow these again. The final variety that was new to me this year is the early maturing Linzer Delikatess Fingerling potato. These have yellow flesh and yellow skin. They have a beautiful texture and soft potato flavor. These held up for me when making them for salads and roasting, but were also enjoyed baked and mashed. I find they bruise easily, and I'm not sure how well they would store. I will try them again though next year. My all-time favorite potato to grow is the Carob potato. It has purple skin with white flesh. These are an early potato variety, but I find they can hold up well in the ground and they store very nicely over winter. They do lose that purple skin color in storage, and also when they're cooked they lose some of that color as well. They have an almost creamy texture and make a gorgeous baked potato or fluffy mashed potato, and they are my go-to potatoes, even for French fries. I hope you enjoyed hearing about these potato varieties. What is your favorite potato to grow? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.